Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of cable knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, gents half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater. You can also apply this pattern in shawl and stall. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 4 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 12 plus 5 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 12 plus 5 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 19 stitches on my needle, 12 stitches, multiple of pattern. Here we make a pattern of 12 stitches plus 5 extra stitches, 17 and plus 2 edge stitches, 19. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 1, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a repeat from head to here. Purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 7. This is 12 stitches pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 6 stitches. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, knit edge from right side. First row is completed now. Second row wrong side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 5, purl 7. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 6 stitches. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, yarn in back. Now knit 3 together from front loop, yarn over, knit 1, again yarn over, knit 3 together from back loop, that's a repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 3 together from front loop, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3 together from back loop. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 6 stitches. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, knit edge from right side. Third row is completed now. Fourth row wrong side. Slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn over to front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 5, purl 1, yarn over, purl 3, yarn over, purl 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Here we have last 6 stitches. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects. So friend, if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.